Hello everyone and welcome back to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of those who do not follow you back on Instagram. Here you see, here you see I have this account Pankaj Sharma on Instagram on which I have these many people who I'm following, but some of them do not follow me back, so I'm going to find them out and get rid of them. And to make things easier, I'm going to use an app that will mass unfollow these people, and that app that I trust is Followers and Unfollowers. For that, I just need to go to Google Play Store and download it. I have already actually used this app. All you have to do is just search Followers and Unfollowers and click on install. See its rating 4.5 after 2 lakh reviews. 200,000 reviews are there, which is great. Okay, let's open it. Now I need to, if you want to, you can read this information. I'm going to click on I agree with these terms. Agree. Now log in with Instagram, the account for which you need to get rid of the non-followers. Alright, I'm logged into that account. Just to show you, I'll click on these three lines and here you see my Instagram is there, and straight away it lands on do not follow me back by default. As you can see, it is processing, fetching the followers. So there are two options: unfollow 50 from top, unfollow 50 from bottom. You can choose either of them, and other options are mutual, follow back, I follow, followers, unfollowers, whitelist users, and remove ads. If you do not want to see ads in this app, you can remove by purchasing the paid subscription, but I'm good with free, so let's go ahead. And don't follow me back is the option I'm looking for, which is the default one. Okay, it is syncing the account with Instagram. Okay, so these are the people who do not follow me back, and they are 286. So let's hit unfollow 50 from top. It will ask you, are you sure you want to unfollow? It will unfollow 50 users from top of list if available, otherwise okay. See up there, the number is changing. I can sit, relax, it will do its job. After this completes, I'll show you my Instagram account just to show you it worked or not. You can also do the same. And by the way, if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll try my level best to answer. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing so that I can make more videos like this. Okay, Instagram has blocked your request. Please re-log in and try after some time. Alright, it will happen once a while, but you can log in again and try after 5 minutes. It will start working again. So now let's go back to Instagram and show you how many we got rid of. Let's go back, click on 331, who is the number. Okay, now it is 292, which is great. We got rid of around 40 users. You can do the same as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in comments if you have any questions. Thanks.